right here. So we're gonna go try his food. Let's do it. Right next to Phil's Hardware, Constant Spring. All right, let's go try it. Tell us where you are.
This is Tony. I'm at Kingston Spring right beside Phil's Hardware. Yeah, I do salt fish, fried dumpling, red pea soup, fried chicken, and I have a mad pineapple sauce where I mash up the whole place. But I talk about it. You know what I mean? So,
All right, this is
that's basically it.
This is the man himself, so you can find him right here. Phil's Hardware. You can't miss him. He's gonna be on the right. So we're gonna try. Here's our happy customer. We're gonna try the food. So go ahead. I want to try everything. The fried dumpling. Yeah, the chicken. Yeah. Can't miss him. This is where he's at. Just make a left. Right next to Phil's Hardware. Yeah, I hear the dumpling. They're soft and nice.
Very soft, very soft.
Yeah. Sure. All right, guys, I'm gonna try this one. No, one is good. One is good.
One is good.
Whoa, this is soft. Look at how it's so fluffy. Trying it out. Yeah, the price is amazing. I just tried the fried dumpling. It's really good. Wow, it's a lot of food. Whoa! I'm gonna give you all of it.
Okay. Can you tell me what somebody in the neighborhood you?
Wow.
How is it?
This is amazing. Let's try the sawfish. Wow, sawfish is really good.
Good for you? Good for you?
No thigh?
No, I don't have the thigh already.
That's okay. I'll take it.
One thigh for sure, right?
Yeah. Fried dumpling is so soft. Look like breaks in their mouth. Right at the side of Phil's Hardware and Constant Spring. You can't miss him. As you make the left, he's gonna be on your right. It's the number one thing for Jamaica. When it comes to Jamaica, one is the river, the party, but for me, most of all, is the food. There he is, guys. You can't come here without trying this. Right next to Phil's Hardware and Constant Spring. Tony.
Indian.
Yeah.
She's right. Indian. Indian, they have a truck. Oh, we know which Indian is. Okay.
man himself.
Richard, that's the sign of you're napkin and fast.
You're not gonna be disappointed.
Yeah, I'm Tony. And this is where I do my business, my daily business. I'm out from Tuesdays to Saturdays. And the hours that I'm out from 10 to 5 p.m. in the evening.
Okay, so you get breakfast and lunch.
Yeah, we do mid-morning breakfast, I would say, and lunch. And our lunch consists of fried dumpling, potato wedge, fried breadfruit, plantain, pressed plantain, fried chicken, saltfish, cook up saltfish, yeah, and
The pineapple sauce.
pineapple sauce, definitely. So that's, and we also have red cheese soup every day.
And tell them where you're located.
We're located right beside Fields Hardware, just at the side on Kingston Spring Road, at the 60. Right beside Fields Hardware. Yes, as I say, you can find me right here on a Tuesday, right back to a Saturday. I don't come out on Monday. Monday is the day that I'm off. And
Okay.
I'm here from 10 till maybe 5, 6 days. You must get a road rush in, done for fast, and end up home before. I think it's kind of time. Yeah.
So we tried the food, the fried dumpling, soft like butter. The chicken is amazing. And the secret sauce, forget about it. The secret sauce goes with everything. So I'm gonna show you guys that video as well when I put everything together. So Tony, right at Kingston Spring, right beside Phil's Hardware. You're not gonna be disappointed. What about the prices? Because I hear your prices were amazing.
Yeah, we for a piece of 1-piece chicken, 2 fried dumpling, about $400. And if you want to step it up, that's gonna be like a little saltfish, piece of chicken and 3 dumpling. That's like for $800. So that's like the price. We have soup for the small one for $250, the medium for $500, and the big one for $700.
Okay.
And our red pea soup, we use cow skin, chicken foot,
Salt beef.
Wow, salt beef?
Yeah,
You don't really see that in 2024.
salt beef, etc. So we don't use pigtail.
Okay.
I like pork.
Well,
I wouldn't mind. But I
I'm planning
understand.
in the
though.
future though to have
A second pot, like
second pot of soup.
with
So I'm
pigtail.
gonna
With
provide soup for the pork lovers.
Yeah.
okay.
Pigtail soup, people love it.
Yeah,
Some more get it more indulge in that.
Yeah.
I mean pork.
I eat pork.
I love pork.
I love pork.
You know what I mean? Yeah,
Pork
so-
never hurt nobody.
And I'm here like for 1 year now. It's May. This month make it be 1 year since I'm here. Feedback.
The chicken is seasoned really nice. And said season up and salt. The season soaking nice.
Yeah, the food tastes good. And my number one thing, normally when you have fried dumpling, they're tough, they're hard. It's hard to eat it. This is like paper. This reminds me of festival, Pauline's Festival in Portmore, where I went to Pauline's restaurant and I was showing you guys her festival, how light it was. Same thing, light, fluffy. You can eat this by itself without anything. And I'm gonna show you guys in the video as well. And what I like about Tony, he's very welcoming. He makes you feel welcoming and he caters to you right away. So when you guys come, 10:20, come see him. You're not gonna be disappointed. His partner is right here.
Yeah, that's Richard.
Yeah, Richard. Very, very welcoming. It feels good, you know?
Yeah, man, you're part of the team and you're part of the family. When you come to the kitchen, you basically are part of the team, part of the family. So you will get that treatment, you know?
Yeah, and he's not just saying that, because right away when I came, I spoke to him and I drove up and he was very welcoming right away. So I felt like, okay, yeah, this is the place I'd want to come to. And it's in a nice
Very, very safe environment.
yeah, that's the number one thing.
Very
So you can actually park your vehicle, sit down on your chair and enjoy your meal, because this is actually a commercial area that it's located in. Yeah, Phil's Hardware right at the side. You can't miss it. Tony on Kingston Spring
Tony's
Road.
Kitchen.
Tony's Kitchen. Yeah. So what else is in the menu for the future? Like what else you
In
gonna
the
add?
future, I'm planning to come with some good old curry goat. And I'm going to have days when I do rice and peas. and roti. I'm planning to expand. I'm going to have days when I have oxtail days, days when I have jerk pork days, you know, stew peas days, you know what I mean? That are coming in the future. Right now, I would say maybe coming summer.
Summertime.
Very near, summertime.
That's awesome. So you'll
And
be
I add
able
something to the thing, you know?
yeah.
Step up.
You'll be able to have a full meal when you come see Tony.
And I also do catering as well. I do catering.
Give them your contact info as well.
Yeah, my number is 995-3563. Yeah, 995-3563.
Area code.
876-995-3563. I will do deliveries. That's the car already. I need it for delivery.
Oh, so here's the vehicle. They do delivery. Wow, you guys do deliveries.
Yeah, that's the car there. That's our delivery car.
So they do deliveries as well. What are the time frame for the delivery?
Well, anytime after 11:30 to 12 go down.
Okay. What's the pricing like for the delivery?
It all depends how far it is.
Ah.
Varies. Yeah, we have
So give me an example. Oh, sir.
For example, if I'm going to deliver, what we do, we try to keep in a certain. We're not going to go to Portmore or a place like that.
Ah, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So you,
Like arbitrary, road, Old Road, you know what I mean?
yeah, you cater to like the
Huntington Road,
offices.
offices and stuff like that. But we're not just going to bring one delivery. Like an office order, like, for example, office one, a 10 person, a 5 person order from that particular place.
Yeah.
I will have to deliver because I always right here park.
For the delivery.
Definitely.
Okay, and here's the famous soup as well.
Yeah, famous.
Is it always red peas or?
It's always red peas.
That's my
very
favorite soup anyway.
Yeah, very rare I change it, but
Yeah.
always red peas.
Always red.
My beautiful customers right here as well.
Yeah. Is this your first time or are you?
No, all the time.
Tell us about the soup. Let's hear it from the customer's
Keeps
perspective.
you coming back.
Yeah, keeps you coming back. There you go. And I'm a big red pea soup fan. I can already tell you this looks good. Rich.
You want to come on? You need to try it.
Yeah, man, let me try. Yeah, for me, I might as well. It's so hot. That's. Yeah. Want to try some of this soup? Might as well. Since we're already here.
You try the soup.
All right, guys. It's hot as hell, but you gotta try it. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Rich. And what I like is it's thick, but it's not so thick that you can't drink it without a spoon. You know?
Como que estoy en actually?
This is nice.
Come on, Rich. Rich, like I'm rich.
Rich, like why you're gonna be rich today. Yeah, what about your email? Are you on social media?
Well,
Yeah. So they do fish fry as well. What about are you on social media, like Instagram?
yeah, man, let me get the contact.
Soup is good.
You finish? It tastes nice.
So fish fry. When is you say you're keeping a fish fry? When is it?
I'm planning a breakfast brunch.
Okay.
Along with a fish fry coming up sometime. I think it's in July.
July.
110.
Yeah. Give
I'll
us.
come with the date and precise, but I'm not sure which part in the month the last Friday in July falls, but that's the time I'm planning to keep an event right here.
Right here in the same
Right on the
spot.
spot, on this corner. And I'm gonna have a barrage of different menu on that day.
Yeah.
The
I'm
whole
gonna give
team
you the
is coming
information so you can tell me, and I'll promote it for you as well.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm very happy. And as you guys see, the neighborhood is.
Friendly environment.
Yeah, you can feel comfortable here. When you come, you can just pop up your picnic chair and pull it up. Soup is ready if you feel for the soup. It's not every time you feel for food. Some people just want some soup. Soup is available.
Yeah, man, busy going. It's not lonely, you know?
Yeah.
Busy going. People on and about. And
So you're comfortable to be here. Alright. Yep. No, very safe. That was one of my concerns too when I was coming. I was wondering what kind of neighborhood is this? But then when I saw where it was, like, okay, nice. Very nice. You're gonna be comfortable. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is Tony. We're gonna tune out. So once again, give them your number again, Tony. Tony, your number?
Yeah, my number is 995-3563. For any parties or catering or stuff like that, you can link me.
All right, awesome. All right, thank you so much, Tony. So I heard about this spot. Had to try it out. His name is Tony. He's right by Phil's Hardware on Constant Spring. You can't miss him. Once you make that left turn, he's gonna be on your right hand side. The food is good. The dumpling is soft. He's very pleasant. Him and his partner. You can just pull up a picnic chair and enjoy your food right there. And I like just eating it with your hands. You know, I like that. It was good. Saltfish is good. It's not too salty. All right. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe.